Hello everyone and welcome to another lesson in Adobe Photoshop. On this lesson we are going to recap all of the functions that we have recently learned. So let's go and open an image. So let's go to open a smart object, and from here I'm gonna open these two images. One is the boat, another one is these waterfalls. So what I want to do is I want to place this boat on the waterfall and change its adjustment of the image. So let's open it. So first I will open this image over here, and let's go to file and open as smart object. Let's open this image as well. So when I do that, you can see that we have the both images. So right now what I want to do is I will go to my object selection tool, and from there I will use the object selection tool and select, let's zoom it a little bit, select this boat over here. Alright, so as I will select it, it will take some time to select this boat over here. And right now over here you can see these all the part that have been selected. So right now you can see these all of the part have been selected. I will use the quick selection tool to add all of this as well. So let's add all of them like this. Okay, and we will mask it. So let's go and mask this portion. And right now you can see that we have nothing on the top. We have able to mask the boat. So I will now add this image, just drag it and place it like this over here. Alright, so let's go to file and add place embedded. So place embedded means that I'm gonna place this image inside this project or this file. So let me just increase the size, transform it a little bit so that it will cover the artboard over here. Okay, and let me place it a little bit down below like this. Great, and I will place OK or hit enter. And right now you can see this image have been placed on top, so I have to place it below. And let's go and use the move tool. So right now we are able to create this amazing illustration. So right now you can see that both of the image doesn't look appropriate because a color is, the boat color is bright and the background color is dark, right? So we can go to this adjustment tool or go to our image adjustment tool. So use the brightness, hue and saturation. So let's try the hue and saturation. So right now if I just use the hue and saturation, you can see that the color of the boat have been changing, right? So I don't want to change the boat color. What I want to do is I will delete that. I just want to change the color of the background. So let's go to this adjustment, go to hue, and I will change the background color. So let us make it a little bit of yellowish. Okay, so it will look a little bit bright. And then go to this adjustment. Let's use this curve. So I don't want much darkness on the image. I will use that curve. So let me place it on top of this image. Go to adjustment and we can use color balance as well. So I will minimize the green a little bit, and depending on your want or your look you can just adjust them as far as you need. Alright, so right now we have able to create this amazing board using these two images. So I hope you have understood how you can utilize all of these properties to your images. So with all of these properties you can very easily create or manipulate your images. So as you can see that we got a very good result, right, with using all of these properties, right? So I hope you have understood how you can do this project. Do it and submit it on do all of this project and submit me so that I can see how you are doing at the moment. See you on the next lesson.